Hello Room 3 friends, it is Miss Dumbuya here, and we are going to be reading another book today called Cat's Colors. And this book, it's all about cat's colors, but they are trying to figure out what cat's favorite color is. And the author, the person that wrote the book, her name is Jane Cabrero. Cat's Colors. Red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, white, brown, green, pink, black. I wonder why all the colors are written on a question mark. A question mark shows us when there's a question. I'm cat. What is my favorite color? Is it green? Green is the grass where I like to walk. Is it pink? Pink are the petals of my favorite flowers. Is it black? Black is the night when bats swoop and soar. Means when they fly all around. Is it red? Red is the rug where I snooze by the fire. Is it yellow? Yellow is the sand on the sunny beach. I wonder what cat's favorite color is. Is it purple? Purple is the yarn I tangle in my claws. Is it brown? Brown is the earth where I dig my holes. Is it blue? Blue is the sky where I chase the birds. Is it white? White are the clouds floating in the sky. Is it orange? Yes, because orange is the color of my mother. Aww. The end. So friends, that was a book all about colors, and I want to know, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? But first, some friends in room 3 had a message for you. See you next time.